Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So today's Monday. It means that we are taking a look at the Bitcoin market. In general, everything goes with our long-term plan. Once the grabber has been identified, we said the minimum target will be 110 with a potential extension right to the 127. And currently market is coming to the first destination point. When the market, not only Bitcoin, any other market, stands very close to the top, it has some special features, some special type of the performance, which actually, if you know it, it makes much easier to you to decide where to take the position, how to take the position, and so on. But this, of course, we consider on the lower time frames. Here, we just need to know that everything goes well. Nearest target stands right at the top. So on the weekly chart, the same story. Here, we need only one thing, is the overbought area for this week. It stands around 109.20. It's very close to the 110. So it means that market easily could easily retest this top. At the same time, standing the overbought near the 110 suggests that hardly we will get direct, straightforward upward continuation immediately. It's more probable that in the first touch we could get some kind of the wash and rinse of the top, maybe some retracement before market will keep going higher. In the next week, we will be watching for a specific type of the market behavior around the top. So, as you know from our multiple researches and videos, that if market grabs the stops, returning back to the top, and start turning to sideways consolidation, this is clear bullish sign. At the same time, I wouldn't exclude here's the specific pattern. So take a look what could happen. Now I just take it out. You could easily see what really might be, right? So what is actually we could get? Reversal hand shoulders on the top before we'll get upward continuation. The chance for this pattern, not small, it's just because of the same overbought area on the weekly chart. And with the barrier in the way of the overbought, it's easily could happen that market will show the pullback. So that's also we need to keep an eye on. But currently, this probably will happen later on the next weeks. But this week, our task is to watch for a challenging and reaching of the top and see what the reaction market will show after that. On a daily chart, here's also we have nothing really important except overbought level. It stands around 110 for today, but in general 110, 111 for this week probably. Very close to the weekly overbought level. It once again tells that hardly we will get the straightforward breakout. Market could move slightly above 110 just because of the stop orders have been placed here. When it will be triggered, market will get additional boost, short-term boost, but later action might reverse down. So this is actually how the wash and rinse is working. But existence of the overbought tells the same story that hardly we will get straightforward upward continuation. Now about the position taken. If you do not have the long position and you still would like to join this party, here we could take a look at the weekly, on the follow time frame chart. On the follow time frame chart, we have this upward action since our last update. Here, market already has exceeded targets that we had here. So if you remember, this was the hand and shoulders that we were trading. ABCD XOP was 103, and market successfully has reached it, and now we keep going higher. It means that in the current situation, you should not wait for a deep retracement, reversing of this. Why? Because market stands near top. Market is gravitating to the destination point. Besides, if you take a look at the weekly chart, you will see that market has entered in a consolidation that we talked before, and it stands inside of it. So it should not drop out of this consolidation. It should not drop below 92, 93 area. So it's to stay around this, inside of this. So it means that we do not need any deep standing support areas. More probable that if upward direction will continue and if market will show any retracement, the retracement probably will be very small. I would consider in the current situation either position taking inside of the flag, or, which is maybe even better solution, to split in parts your position, your lot, and taking it on the nearest support area. So first position you could try to take inside of the flag because it could really be broken up immediately. Second, if still retracement starts, watch for 101 area as the first fib support. If deeper retracement starts, then it will be the term of the 98. 98 is a confluence support and previous top and previous consolidation. So this will be some kind of the vital area for current bullish scenario. Market should not break it down. In the current circumstances, in the position where the market right now stands, the deep retracement is unnatural. A deep retracement might be only, for example, after market reached some strong resistance or some very important target, overbought area. But when the market stands in the free space without any resistance, not at overbought, and it stands very close to the target, as a rule, in 90%, it shows small retracements. So that's why I think that more probable it's just either immediate upward continuation or minor pullback to the 101. This is theoretically possible, but I think the chances for that are stand less. But still, all three these levels might be considered when you will plan how to enter. Whether you will wait tickle level or your split position in part, or what you're gonna do. So these three levels do not break actually overall context and could be considered, taken in consideration for position taking. So that's probably all for now. Let's see what the actual results we will get here.